In this session, we are going to study about Runge-Kutta method of fourth order or RK method of fourth order. In all the methods, we are going to find the solution for initial value problem. It is of the form dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y with the initial condition y of x naught is equal to y naught. Compared to the previous method, that is Taylor series method and Euler's method, here you will get the better value and the better result. So that is to find out y of x1 by using this method. So x1 is calculated by using x0 plus h, where h is the step size. That is difference between two arguments is h. First we have to compute k1, k2, k3, k4 by the following formula. So that is, it is given by k1 is equal to h into f of x0 comma y0. K2 is h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 by 2. K3 is h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k2 by 2. And k4 is h into f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k3. Then the required y of x1 or y of x0 plus h is calculated by using the formula y0 plus 1 by 6 times k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Otherwise, we can write this as y0 plus k. So, where k is 1 by 6 times k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So, now see the problem. So, that is using RK method of fourth order, we have to find out y of 0.2 for the equation dy by dx is equal to y minus x by y plus x with the initial condition y of 0 is equal to 1, taking h is equal to 0.2. So we know that any initial problem, it is of the form dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y. Here f of x comma y is y minus x by y plus x, and the initial values are x0 is equal to 0 and y0 is equal to 1 and h is equal to 0.2. Okay, first write down the given data values here. Then we have to compute k1, k2, k3, k4 by using the above formula. So that is k1 is given by h into f of x0 comma y0. Substitute h, x0 and y0 here. That is 0.2 f of 0 comma 1. That is x is 0 and y is 1. We know that f of x comma y is y minus x by y plus x. Therefore, f of 0 comma 1 is 1 minus 0 by 1 plus 0. That is equal to 0.2. Similarly, k2 is h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 by 2. First, simplify these two equations. That is x0 plus h by 2 is x0 value is 0 plus h is 0.2. 0.2 by 2 is 0.1. Similarly, y0 is 1 plus k1 value is 0.2 by 2 is 0.1. 1 plus 0.1 is 1.1. Once again, substitute these values in f of x comma y. You will get 0.1667. So next, k3 is h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k2 by 2. That is 0.2 into f of. After calculating these two, you will get 0.1 comma 1.0835. Substitute in the function, you will get 0.1662. So finally, k4 is h into f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k3. x0 plus h, that is 0 plus 0.2 is 0.2. y0 plus k3 is y0 is 1. 1 plus 0.1662 is 1.1662. Substitute in the function, you will get 0.1414. That is, first calculate this value using the brackets, then finally multiply this answer with 0.2. Okay, so that is, you will get 0.1414. So finally, the required y of x0 plus h or y of x1 is calculated by using the formula y0 plus 1 by 6 times k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So substitute k1, k2, k3, k4 here. You will get 1.1679. Okay. Suppose if the same problem, in this same problem, if the h value is 0.1, then we have to calculate this problem at two stages, because x1 is calculated by using the formula x0 plus h. If h is 0.1, you will get 0 plus 0.1 is 0.1. Initially x1 is 0.1. So for that we have to calculate y by using RK formula. Then you considering the step 1 values as the initial values, we have to calculate y at x is equal to zero point 0.2. Okay, so that is if h value is 0.1, we have to calculate the same problem at two stages. Since here h is 0.2, you will get in the single step only, you will get the value of y at x is equal to 0.2. So now see the second problem. Using RK method of fourth order, we have to find out y at x is equal to 0.1, given that dy by dx is equal to 3 e power of x plus 2y. Y of 0 is equal to 0 and h is equal to 0.1. So that is the initial values are x0 is 0 and y0 is 0, and we have to calculate y at x is equal to 0.1. Here function of x comma y is 3 e power of x plus 2y. So first write down the given data values here, that is f of x comma y is 3 e power of x plus 2y, x0 is 0, y0 is 0 and h is 0.1. Okay, so that is x1 is x0 plus h, that is 0 plus 0.1, you will get x1 itself is 0.1 here. So therefore directly in the single step only you will get y value at x is equal to 0.1 since h is 0.1. So first compute k1, k2, k3, k4 by the formula. Using the formula, that is k1 is h into f of x0 comma y0, h is 0.1, x0 is 0, y0 is 0. Substitute in the function, that is 3 e power of x plus 2y, you will get 0.1 into 0.1 into 3 e power of 0. E power of 0 is 1, that is 3, plus 2 into 0 is 0. So you will get 3 into 0.1 is 0.3. Next, k2 is h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 by 2, that is 0.1 into f of x0 plus h by 2. The x0 is 0, 0.1 by 2 is 0.05, y0 is also 0 plus k1 by 2, that is 0.3 by 2 is 0.15. So once again substitute 0.05 and 0.15 in this function, you will get 0.3454. Next, k3 is h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k2 by 2, that is 0.1 into f of, once again simplify these two equations, substitute in the given function, you will get 0.3499. Next, k4 is h into f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k3, that is 0.1 into f of x0 plus h, that is 0 plus h is 0.1. So that is we are calculating y at x is equal to 0.1. So comma y0 plus k3 is 0 plus 0.3499, that is 0.3499. So substitute in the function, you will get 0.4015. Now to calculate the required y at x1, that is y of x0 plus h is given by y0 plus 1 by 6 times k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Substitute the values here, y0 is 0, 1 by 6 times, k1 is 0.3, 2 times 0.3450 plus 2 times 0.3499 plus 0.4015. So you will get y of 0.1 is 0.3487. Okay. Similarly, calculate the remaining values. Remaining problems, initial value problems. That is, see the assignment problems here. So in the first problem they have given that y minus x by y plus x. Similar type problem here they have given y square minus x square by y square plus x square for x is equal to 0.2 and 0.4. That is, we have to calculate this problem at two stages. Since x is 0 and y is 1, initially by applying RK method of fourth order. Since the value of h is not given here, either you can consider h is equal to 0.1 or h is equal to 0.2 itself. Okay. Use RK method of fourth order. Compute y of 1.1 given that dy by dx is equal to x y power of 1 by 3 comma y of 1 is equal to 1. So here the function is x y power of 1 by 3 and x is 1, y is 1. Okay. Similarly here also you have to assume the value of HEO. Okay. Similarly calculate the third problem.